Christian. Yeah, I
know you use a lot of technology. You do extreme sports. Can you tell us a bit more of your experience and what you're doing?
I can indeed. Yeah, I guess my idea of wonderful is a little bit colder than most people. I am a polar explorer. I've been leading polar expeditions professionally for the last 12 years. I skied solo to the North Pole in 2004. I've covered over 4,000 kilometres on foot, some of that on my own, in the very high Arctic. I've broken a few records along the way. And later on this year, I'm embarking on the biggest and most ambitious expedition of my career to date. It's a project called the Scott Expedition. It is named after a British explorer called Captain Scott, who actually died in Antarctica in 1912, trying to become the first person to reach the South Pole. He was travelling on foot, and he was beaten to it by a Norwegian team that used dogs, led by Roald Amundsen. Amundsen reached the pole and became the first to claim that place for Norway, but Scott's team of 5 died on the way back in 1912, and that journey has never been repeated. No one's ever walked from the coast of Antarctica to the South Pole and back to the coast again. So that, to me, seemed like an interesting challenge. It's taken about 10 years to get to this point. We are in the starting blocks, about to leave. And it's a journey that is all about challenge, really. You can follow it. So I think the next slide has the URL. It's scottexpedition.com. One of the biggest challenges, as well as obviously surviving in these places. I'm leading a team of 2. We're heading off in October. We're there for nearly 4 months in Antarctica. The average temperature will be about minus 35 degrees centigrade. So as well as surviving this place and covering 2,900 kilometres on foot, there and back, the biggest challenge has been figuring out how to share this story and how to communicate it in as much depth and as much detail with as big an audience as we can. My very first expedition, 2001, we had a film camera and we had radio, so we had almost no communication with the outside world. Since then, satellite phones now work over the North and South Pole, and I have been dreaming for many years of something that was a bit like a laptop, but smaller, more powerful, with longer battery life, and something that I could take in my sledge and feel that would help me communicate with the outside world. And I was saying to Christian just now, it is almost like these Ultrabooks have been designed for this project. This is one of the actual Ultrabooks we are taking with us. We're taking 2 in Antarctica to our sledges. They are the only way that we are sharing this story with the outside world via satellite phone. There's obviously no audience in Antarctica. There is no one there to see this journey. So if anyone's going to hear about this story and experience it, it all happens, all the storytelling happens through this Ultrabook. So that's how we're doing it. It's really only thanks to this 4th generation technology, the fact that we can edit video in the tent, we can upload it overnight via satellite phone, that we can tell the story in as much detail as we can. So it's Scott's Expedition, all the social media, Facebook, Twitter, all that kind of stuff is Scott Expedition as well. So you can follow along. We are leaving, Christian, in just over 4 weeks' time. So things are very busy for you. Thank you for
hey Ben, that's really great, and we wish you a great adventure there, and we look forward to seeing you back to tell us how it went and share your experience. Thanks so much. Thank you.